If you're already using ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud, you know how powerful automation can be. But did you know that you can extend that same capability into Confluence? In this demo, we'll show how to use ScriptRunner for Confluence Cloud to automate your Confluence reports using Jira data. Let's look at a simple scenario. Say you want to turn your Jira data into a structured monthly report in Confluence that's easy to read and share. In this example, we'll use ScriptRunner for Confluence Cloud to automate the report so it runs at the start of each month, pulling data from Jira into a predefined Confluence template. You can set this up in 2 steps. Create a Confluence template that defines the structure of the report, and configure a script job to generate the report automatically. Let's start with the template. In Confluence Administration, go to Global Templates and Blueprints, and create a global template. Define the layout of your report using macros like tables, charts, or other macros to structure the page. Insert the template variables macro wherever you want your Jira data to appear. ScriptRunner will replace these placeholders with the results of your Jira queries when generating the report. Save your template, then copy the template ID from the URL. You'll need this for the script in the next step. This is also a good time to take note of the parent page or folder where your reports will live, as you'll need its ID for the script too. You can copy the parent ID from the page or folder URL. Next, set up a schedule job to generate the report automatically. In Confluence Administration, go to ScriptRunner, Script Jobs, and add a script job. Give the job a name, and set the schedule to run on the first day of each month at 8 a.m. For this step, we're using an example script, which you can find in the blog linked in the description. Edit the script to specify your template ID, space key, parent ID, parent type, page title, email, API token, and your Jira site URL. Finally, make sure the variable names match your template, and update each JQL query to return the data you want for that variable. To make sure everything works, run the job manually once. Back in your Confluence space, the new report has been created under its parent folder, fully populated with your Jira data. You can now save your script job, and it will run every month as scheduled. ScriptRunner brings powerful automation to Jira and Confluence, so you can extend your workflows across both. If you like what ScriptRunner for Jira Cloud can do, try ScriptRunner for Confluence Cloud now.